alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, who loves to nap. C is for cat, soft and sleek. D is for dog, with a happy squeak. Let's sing the alphabet with animals we'll never forget. A to Z, let's go along. Join the fun, it's an animal song. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who hops along. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for horse, who gallops and calls. Let's sing the alphabet with animals we'll never forget. A to Z, let's go along. Join the fun, it's an animal song. I is for iguana, climbing high. J is for jaguar, who leaps through the sky. K is for kangaroo, with a bouncing spree. L is for lion, king of the spree. M is for monkey, swinging so fast. N is for newt, who always lasts. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for penguin, who waddles all night. Let's sing the alphabet with animals we'll never forget. A to Z, let's go along. Join the fun, it's an animal song. Q is for quail, with a little crest. R is for rabbit, who hops the best. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, with a roar so high. U is for urchin, spiny and small. V is for vulture, who soars and calls. W is for whale, in the ocean deep. X is for X-ray fish, with a body so sleek. Y is for yak, who's fluffy and neat. Z is for zebra, with stripes so sweet. Now we've sung the ABC with animals, come sing with me.